Hello people, today I'm playing The Wild West by Star Wars Studios. I played this before because, obviously I bought it. Now, to play this game, you're going to have, I think, 25 or 50 Robux. There's a little cracked bull skull right here. Cowboy hat. I'm going to just start. Let's see. I always keep this handy. Now, let's see. I see. Not one but two. Let's see. Let's see if I can get these people. Gotta get this killer. I arrested him. Oh, that's cool. Hey, you're shooting me. Hey, I don't like that. This is a game. Never mind. Brawl City. Now I'm gonna go try and arrest those people. Well, not those people, but that person. I ran into a building. Now to run into a building that's clearly right in front of you, that takes some serious skill, and he's already gone. Ooh, what's down here? I've actually never been down here. Let's see, it won't let me. Yeah? Do I have to shoot it, huh? No, they just go right through the bars. Oh, wait. Nope, you can't go. I think it's something they're gonna release for later. Ooh, a killer. I'll go arrest him. Someone beat me to him. Come on. Trying so hard to get him. This is taking so long. Almost got him. Are you serious? My gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm literally raging right now. Don't kill him. I wanna arrest him. Come on. Ooh, I got them jukes. Come on, are you serious? This is poo. This is serious poo. Oh, that was messed up. I hate the fact that you de-equip it every time you go into the water. He's still wanted. Still get him. Yes, yes. Are you serious? Is this guy freaking... Oh. He did. I'm gonna go climb up this hill. Make it back to Brown City. Oh shoot, how did I get all the way right here? Are you serious? Another one? Wait a second. There's a... No, I'm gonna go ahead and arrest you. That's what you get. 3, 2, 1. Now I need to go back. Ooh, there's a train. I went the wrong way. Wow. And the bank is being robbed. Wow. Could you guys please like and subscribe to my videos? Well, at least subscribe. Please. No, I gotta go, arrest these people. This is gonna be hard since there's like 3 of them. Okay. Okay. Hold on, who's behind me? That guy's a little short, if you ask me. Not judging him. Now, you, sir, are gonna be arrested. 5, 4, 3. What just happened? Never mind that. See, I gotta locate one more person. Dang. Wait, how far is he? Oh, wait, no. Can't do that. You can stop ringing, jeez. Says there's a money bag. Oh, what just happened? That's just cool. Messed up. Got him. You wanna try me? Where the heck did... Oh. donkey. Come on, I miss. I missed again. Let me get him. Oh, here's a gun. Oh, he just killed it. That was cool. Yeah, I will chase him till he dies. Now, I'm not a man to shoot anybody, but he just wanted to get him. Gosh darn it. Oh shoot, he about to kill me. He about to kill me. I'm being robbed. I'm being robbed. Oh, please don't kill me. Now this. Alright. Did I get robbed? Because I think I have more money than before. Never mind. Well, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you people next time. Yeah, goodbye.